corner. I'm laelaps. What are you doing? I want to hear you roar. Now, roar. Okay, I will go and roar. What's up guys, this is my second video and this is Carnivoures Legacy Mobile, and if you guys want to know, the creator is Brady Plays. It was in the description of my last video, and let's go. Okay, so these are some cool maps. Okay, where I have to install these dinosaurs. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Oh, guns. Okay. Okay, so there is a dinosaur right next to me. Oh, it's an allosaurus. Okay. Yo, it's a Ferrosinosaurus. Oh my days. This is a rough laptop. Okay, it's a plesiosaurus. No, actual genius, bro. Don't do this. No. Get scraped ammo. Yeah, that's my food. Okay, yo, corner. Yo, corner, you know. Okay, another corner. Okay, bro. Yo, she's coming way too close. No! Okay, so there's a Ferrosinosaurus and a plesiosaurus. Okay, let's go lap them. This one has a question. Okay. Guys, I feel like I said something. Oh my days. Dead. Hello, little mushrooms. Hello. Okay, never mind, that's Gogosaurus. Okay. No, you. Yeah, my bad. This one. You're going too fast. This is not the T-Rex. Oh. Bro, this looks like Dinosaurs, bro. Okay, so right in the corner is that? Oh, it's in a corner down. Okay. Why is Bo running? Bo finally came back. Okay, bro, no way this guy's gonna kill me, bro. Like, no way. Look at this Brontosaurus couple. I wonder what happens if I just destroy it. Okay. Yes. That's one dead. Okay. No, you think you escape? No, bro. To me, it was actually feel kind of bad, bro. Okay, it's the laelaps. These guys are super cool. Why is this so good? Oh, one more. I could see. Okay. What is he doing with the laelaps allosaurus, bro? And you're dead. Bro, you can't even touch me, man. Nobody wants. Okay, another allosaurus. Damn, I thought I died. Okay, pull out the pistol. Okay, the laelaps. Okay, bro, these guys are scared. Okay. Oh, wait, no, it's still no. There's an carnivoures right next to me. Okay, there it is. That's one good. Okay, yo, they're coming. Okay, what's the second one? Wait. Okay, there is two laelaps right there. I'm not introduced. Okay, yeah. Oh, this one. Oh my days, I was so close. Summon every single antrodinus. Yeah, they're coming. That's not dead. I like the antrodinus so much, man. Oh my days. Yeah.